Good morning, class 11th in painting subject. Children, yesterday we finished our unit 1, that was Indus Valley Civilization. Today we are going to start unit 2. It is Hindu, Buddhist and Jain art in India. Timing is during 3rd century BC to 8th century BC. So we will start. Children, this is introduction of this period. This is the art during Maurya, Shunga, Kushan and Gupta period. Introduction. The term Hindu, Jain or Buddhist art are general classification to distinguish the art of one group of monuments, painting, cave, temples and architecture, etc. from the art of another religious theme in 6th century BC. With the rise of Buddhism and Jainism, India witnessed a beginning of new religious and social movements in the gigantic plans. Now, study of sculpture during Maurya, Shunga, Kushan and Gupta period. Buddhist art and architecture portraying Buddha's life started emerging slowly during Maurya period, along with the already existing art and architecture of Hindu temples. The germination of Buddhist art and architecture was initiated in the Indian subcontinent with subsequent development during the Mauryan, Shunga, Kushan and Gupta period. One can see a development of Buddhist art in form of various symbolic representing aspects of the Buddha's life, 563 BC to 483 BC. For the first time, King Ashoka established Buddhism as the state religion for his kingdom of Magad and also built many architectural monuments with inscriptions and sculptures in the form of pillars, stupas and chaityas to spread Buddhism. One can see the revolution of Buddhist art during different eras by studying these monuments. Jain art and architecture flourished during the reign of Gupta period in the states of Karnataka and Maharashtra. So class, we will start these from our next class.